Assalamu Alaikum guys. In this video I am gonna show you 2 amazing secret tips tricks of Android. I am Mehedi, you are watching Technical Mehedi. Let's start. First open a browser and go to google.com. After opening Google homepage, scroll down and click on setting and click on search setting and just enable handwrite option and click save. Press OK. Click on the G. After clicking, write anything in the screen. I am writing YouTube and searching it. That's the way you can search anything on Google by typing on the screen. I think you like the idea and tricks. So the next trick in how to download a YouTube video without any problem. Just go to YouTube and find your desired video and click on the link. After clicking on the link, just add SS before youtube.com and click OK. After waiting some time, you can download this video. Yes, the video you can download this at MP4, WEBM, 3GP and MP4 format. I think you like these tricks also. So for more videos, subscribe to our channel and also like the video. Allah Hafiz.